This is a new FALCAM TreeRoot Quick Lock Travel Tripod.
You're watching CineD, supported by B&H and CVP.
Welcome from NAB 2024. I'm here at the FALCAM booth with Bear. How are you?
Good, I'm good. How are you?
Very good indeed. You guys just introduced a travel tripod.
Yep.
That's pretty cool. And you already showed us the features beforehand, and I like them quite a lot. So what is it called and what can it do?
So this is actually the first time we made, FALCAM made the tripod. It's called a FALCAM TreeRoot Quick Lock Travel Tripod. So it's super light. Actually, personally, I will call this like F38 Pro because the head is a little bit different, especially the mounting weight. So yeah, do you want me to show you a little bit?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, cool. So as all the users know about the FALCAM F38, we used to make a slide in. It's like a slide in click, but this one's a little bit different. You can see we come out with the plate together. This is a FALCAM, F38 plate is ARCA Swiss standard. So the way now you can see the surfaces is like a press down. So that's it. It's locked.
You don't need to push any lever. It's already locked when you push it down.
We also have a spring here. So the way we want to do this, because like we want to compatible with all the ARCA Swiss standard, the plate. So I do have one standard here. This is it.
Standard ARCA Swiss plate, yeah.
Yeah, so you see this is not a FALCAM made, right?
Same thing. Cool.
Same thing. Yeah, just press down and take it out. Easy, right? That's it. Take it out.
You also have a camera with you. Maybe you can show it.
Yeah, sure.
Because, I mean, it's quite cool to be able to put a camera on top of a tripod without having to lock anything and still be secure.
Just put it here and just press down. That's it. That's it.
Very nice.
Take it out.
Perfect. I mean, it's also very, very lightweight. What are we talking about in terms of weight?
It's around like 1.6, 1.65 kilo. Yeah. So I think it's pretty good, right, for the tribal one. Yeah, so that's the weight. The whole one is come out all together.
Everything together.
Yeah.
Just tell me a little bit more about this ball head here. I like how it works.
Okay, cool. So, and you can see we have a knob here. It's like it's about the paranomic direction, like this.
And you also have degrees here, so you can actually. It's very good.
So it's like this is we have a damping design over here. So now it's like super loosened, right? So it's for structuring. Like, let me show you how. Now it's like currently it's a super smooth, right? And now when you see, can you hear it?
You increase the tightness in a way.
Tightness, yeah. It's like this one here. Okay, now it's super tight. You open it, you see?
It doesn't move.
You can try it.
Yeah.
It doesn't move. Cool. It's like for the structuring, like in different like views, especially you see now, and maybe you want to do this, even 90 degree. And
I think you can even do 360, no? Like.
Yeah, 360.
Because that's something we haven't seen on some of the other tripods. You're quite limited with this kind of movement, but you can shoot like a vertical panorama actually.
Sure, that's how it works. Yeah. You can see now it's a little bit loose, right? So we can dampen it, make it more. And now you see.
I can tell you have a lot of trust in your mechanism because you put an expensive Hasselblad on it. So.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I will not. I will never to risk my camera. So that's how it works.
Yeah. Very cool.
Yeah, and the below of this is tripod from the vertical one of the bow is like around like 6 kilo, and then when you do the vertical, sorry, it's a little bit tight. Let me loosen it. You do the load. The 90 degree of the vertical one is gonna be 3 kilo.
Basically, because it would tip over if it's heavier, I guess. But 3 kilo is a lot.
Yeah. And then when you raise the up of the center column, it's gonna be like 20 of the below of the center column. And there's the other thing I really want to show you because of it'll be easy to take it off of the center column to whatever you can flip it over. Let me show you how it works. So you just pull it up like this, take it down.
Very cool. And now you can go all the way to the ground, or what's the idea?
Yeah, sure. You can go all the way to the ground.
So so basically you would take out the middle part and put that back in?
So actually, you just put it like this, right? And you take it all down. And of course, we do have this one here, right? Yeah. So you even can put your camera over here, take it out like this. That's it. And then you can put all the legs down.
So what's the minimum height?
Minimum height will be around 10
centimeters?
Yeah,
wow.
10.
Okay, that's really low.
It's easy to put it back. You just mount it like this. That's it.
Very cool. And how high does it go, the tripod?
It's gonna be around like 154, 155 centimeters.
Very cool.
So that's how it works. And you have a hook over here. You know, can put your backpack, and it's just empty legs and column. It's gonna be. We try to lower it down. You know, of the the payload.
You also have a nice little
sure.
quick.
So this
Like, what is it?
This is our F22 system. It's also the quick release. Okay. Now,
Very cool. So just slide on. And do you need to tighten anything here?
what do you mean the Titan?
Like after I squish it down like you did, it's already
No,
set.
It's already set.
So it's just press of a button.
And press the button, take it out.
Very nice.
So that's how it works. It's our F22 like quick release, and also we also left the other sides of the hole over here just expand more just in case. But this one is gonna come out together.
Very nice. Cool. Let's talk about the legs a little bit. I think we have covered the head, right?
Yeah, already.
So what makes the legs special?
Okay, you can see the shape is a little bit different. Like usually people will have all, I mean the other brands they only have
Round ones, yeah.
older shaped one or the round one. But we made it different. Like it's our made is the first leg will be the shaped one, and the rest of it will be the round one.
So it's nicer to hold actually and grab.
You know the stability is super strong. I could say yeah, it's super strong. So we try to focus pay more attention about the stability to make the when you're outdoor to shooting, make it more safer. So it's more strong, it's more durable, and the material is super good. It's carbon made, and also we also made something different. It's called I don't know the specific name. It's called HM some material. So it's super solid.
It feels really good. It feels very light and very strong. So that's nice.
Yeah, and also there's the main thing about the tripod. You remember the name is called the FALCAM TreeRoot and Quick Lock tripod, right? The Quick Lock means this part, and also of course the other part as well. It's gonna be like this is a circle around, right? You just circle it or twitch it. It's only third circle you can twitch it.
So you don't have to turn it a lot. You just turn it a little bit, and it's already unlocked or locked.
Yeah,
a third.
of the circle. So the reason we do this because when you have usually people do it, you can always twitch it to the end, and then the legs will fall down.
It also takes way too long with some tripods. You're just like doing this on every section. You go crazy.
Yeah, sure. And you do like this, and I can show you a magic just seconds later. But this one, we also have a limitation. The reason we can do this is because I have a limitation design, and this is gonna be how we do this, and also easy to take it out and put it back. So for cleaning, so of course we can do the cleaning. So I can show you how it works with which I told you about the magic. It's really as smooth as you can imagine. Okay.
Oh, nice. No resistance at all.
And you can close it at once.
And open, I guess.
Yeah. That's it.
Perfect.
And you can see the shape. Super easy to carry it.
Let's talk about the spikes here at the bottom.
Oh, yeah, we do have the spider on the bottom. You see? So the reason we do the shape, you can see, easy to take it out, right? And the reason we do this shape, we have two of the sharp one.
So it's not just one spike, it's also like a additional.
We have like a sharp one on the sides. So it means like when you put it order down, it's gonna be the first one to touch down on the surfaces to make it more stable and solid.
So when you're on like gravel or ice.
Yeah, eye level of the ice is super stable, and I see the spider over here. So that's the main idea, because like our engineers, they went to a really bad environment for shooting outdoors. So that's why that's the idea how it comes. And even the quick lock over here, so that's the same ideas. Easy to take it out. Even you go to the really cold environment, easy to use one hand to take it out and put it back.
Very nice. I mean, a very well thought out product, I have to say. Very nice. Let's talk about price and availability.
Yeah, the price, like we're gonna sell it. We set up at $399, the USD.
Great. Is it already available?
We're gonna launch it at end of May, so it's gonna be 1 more month.
Okay, great. And last question: are you also gonna have a video head at some point?
Yeah, it's a secret, but I cannot tell anymore. But yeah, it's on the way.
Still a secret though.
Yeah, it's a secret.
Shh, don't tell anybody.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, Bear.
Right, thank you.
That was a really cool
Right.
interview. I think it's a really very good, very well thought out product, especially considering that you have not released a tripod before.
Yeah.
Very impressive,
Yeah,
really.
right.
Yeah. Thank you, everybody, very much for watching. Stay tuned to CineD for a lot more from NAB 2024. Hit the like button, leave a comment here, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.